So if we talk about capability versus latency trade-offs, so one of the most important trade-offs in agent systems is the trade-off between the higher capability and lower latency. So in agent systems, we want higher capabilities. We want to cover more depth. So higher capability. It means our agentic AI application, the agents which we will be building, it should be very capable. Better reasoning is something which we are looking at. The deep think, more robust tool selection, smarter choices, stronger task decomposition, better edge case handling. But the problem is that if we focus on higher capabilities, we have to compromise the speed. So that's a trade-off. So higher capabilities comes with the cost of higher latency. It comes with the cost of higher cost. We have to pay more for higher capabilities and heavier infrastructure requirements. So the agentic systems which we will be developing, we want it to have higher capability, that is better reasoning, more robust tool selection, stronger task decomposition, better edge case handling. But the problem is that it comes with the cost of higher latency, higher cost, heavier infrastructure requirements. We also want our agentic AI applications to have lower latency. We want faster response. We want faster response. So lower latency means faster response. It should be very quick, lower cost. It should be cheap and better real-time user experience, smooth interaction. But now lower latency, it comes with a cost of shallower reasoning. So if we are focusing on lower latency, then we cannot expect deep reasoning, because if we want fast response, then the reasoning has to be shallow. So if we are aiming for lower latency, we have to adjust with shallower reasoning. So shallower reasoning will be very quick, but it may be wrong. It make the model might make more mistakes if we are focusing for quick responses and less complex planning. So if we are reducing the latency, if we are looking for faster response, we are compromising the capability. So shallower reasoning, more mistakes, less complex planning. Now let us try to understand when capability matters most. When should we focus or give priority to capability over latency? When capability matters most. So if you are dealing with the task which require complex planning, so whenever complex planning tasks are involved, multi-step orchestration is involved, legal or compliances are involved, high stakes decisions are involved. In such scenarios, capability matters the most. So let us suppose you are building some agents which are basically legal agents or compliance agents. Their capability matters the most. If the agents are responsible for taking high stake decisions, capability matters the most. If the agents, they have to perform complex planning, multi-step orchestration, capability matters the most. And when latency matters the most, when should we prioritize latency, like fast response, when we should aim for fast response over the quality of the response. So live chat agents. So if we are building live chat agents, here latency matters more than the capability, because here, because of the user experience, we want to generate fast response. Voice interfaces. So whenever voice interaction is involved, there latency matters the most. And real-time applications, real-time collaborations, because if the agentic AI application is a sort of a real-time application, then latency matters the most. Now, one very important architectural question in front of us. So whenever we are designing the agent, we have to decide whether the agent is optimizing for speed or depth. Because if you are going for depth, you're compromising the speed. And if you're going for speed, you're compromising the depth. So it's a trade-off. So it's a very important architectural question in front of us whenever we are designing agentic AI systems. This question we have to answer. We have to decide. It's a system design decision which we have to make. Like, should we aim for the depth or should we aim for the speed? And this will further decide the further set of actions. If you are choosing depth for a particular agentic AI system, for designing a particular, then you will choose the model accordingly. And if you are choosing speed over the depth, then you will choose model accordingly. So it's a system design decision question which you have to answer. It's an architectural question, very important question.